Okay, now I'm going to shut this heater off. And you don't just turn the switch off. You have to do it through the console, and it has to spool down on its own because it has to evacuate the fuel out and blow everything clean. Okay, the first thing you hear is the pump quits ticking. The fan starts slowing down, and it will burn all that excess diesel out of there so it won't coke up. And coking means it builds up carbon, which makes it hard to light. But you have to let these shut down. You can't just shut them off. And I think that's why I've had such good luck with mine. I let it shut off on its own. It takes a couple of minutes. It's not as quite as long as the startup. I don't know if you can hear the fan just faintly turning in the background. I'm looking forward to another trouble-free season with this diesel heater. This has been one of the best things I've ever put in a Volkswagen. I can turn this thing into a sweat lodge in January. I mean, 12,000 BTU, that's enough to heat a shop. About 1 minute and 46 seconds. If I remember right, I think it takes about 3 minutes for it to shut completely off. When the fan shuts off, it's done. Now it's blowing the fumes out of the combustion chamber, cooling everything off. It's cooling off the metal internally. These work by heating a block of thin aluminum back here, and it blows air over it. Two and a half minutes. And when it shuts completely off, it's done. $2.57. And you don't have to sit and watch it. You can just let it shut off and go do whatever you want. It barely draws any power in standby mode. Okay, at 3.5 minutes. $3.45. $4 minutes. $4.15. $4.30. Maybe it'll be a 5-minute shutdown. I've never really timed the shutdown. $4.45. Okay, at the 5-minute mark. 5:15. $5:30. $5:45. Six minutes. It's taking longer than I thought it did. And 6 minutes and 15 seconds complete shutdown.